Alright, yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Miles, you know. Check my interview. You know who I am. Anyway, I'm right here on my homie's Darksiner's YouTube channel.
McDonald's?
We're right here at Mickey D's and shit, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling.
No bitches around us.
No females, that's why we're doing this. Because if there's a female here, I wouldn't have this fucking pro-ass mat that I picked out. Because I'm pro and shit, you know what I mean? But check it out, we're about to do a deck profile on GBs because I actually play this shit. So this is how it works. Check it out. We got first the homie LaQuaria, right? 3 of this motherfucker. I don't know why Leo put 3 because I used to run 2. Because this ain't even my deck. But check it out. 3 is like you see Tengu and you're like, what's up? And then he gets another one, and then you just chill real quick. And like, you know, he just gets over. He's pro. We got the 2 Darius. Why 2 Darius and not 1? Because if y'all running 1, then y'all ain't having fun because y'all know what's going on. Because this fool gets this fool and another one, and then you fucking you don't do that play, but you get this fool. And he gets, you know, the bestie, that OG play, because that OG, I used to play this shit without chariots back in the day, you know what I mean? You get you exceed, you do all that pro shit, you know what I mean? 2 of these fools, because less than 2 isn't cool, you know what I mean? Because he gets the chariot, and once you got the chariot loop, then they might as well scoop, you know what I mean? And then we got the homie bestie, because, you know, this is the VIP, because this deck is focused on protecting the GBs, and this is the VIP. You don't want to lose this one.
The VIG, fool.
The VIG, the very important glad, you know what I mean? Because if you lose him, then you can still win, because I'm pro, I do that shit sometimes, you know what I mean? We got 2 Hop, because Hop just says stop, because he got 21 defense, you know what I mean? You set that fool, they think it's a Raiko. Like, what's good?
It deals with Thunder King, too, though.
And it deals with Thunder King all day, because he's like, well, I'm only 19, I'm a little bitch. And then Mermillo, because he eats niggas and shit. He eats niggas for breakfast. Eats niggas for... Everything is highest rarity, in case you didn't know, because Leo's a boss, you know what I mean? My homie Reddy Ari, because he says goodbye Glow Bulb, or, you know, what's up Spore, you know, what's up fucking... I don't know anything, nigga. Necro Garner. Fuck, life's one garbage. We got the 3 Proving Ground, because Proving Ground, it has pro plays. This is the only thing that isn't hollow, but it's the highest rarity. Check the clarity of the screen. Check it out, look. This shit just gets shit all day. You set that hop, they hit it, they think, oh, he's gonna stop. You're like, no, what's up, Proving Ground, and then they just scoop right now, you know what I mean? We get 3 Forbidden Lands, because you gotta protect the GB.
It's pretty much fuck Hero Lives and you play these instead.
Yeah, because Hero Lives, no sense at all, because, well, I mean, some people say it takes more skill because it's pro. I say, you know, they say, you know, oh, Prisma, that shit. I say, what's up, Valor? You know, like, you know, there goes half your life, and they just discarded a card, you know, you're stupid. Book of Moon, CP, what's up? Just look at that shit for a little bit. Book of Moon, because it stops their shit, you know, like, say I run into a Mirror Force, I'm like, nope, not today. Or, like, you know, they're trying to be like, oh, I'm attuned with the fucking Karakuri bullshit. You're like, nope, not today. Dark Hole, because if you don't play it, then I don't know how you're gonna get over a lot of shit. Monster Reborn, because you need to reborn the monster. Because sometimes you need that cool-ass Geyserys play, or that cool-ass Herc play, or you just feel like synchroing for some random reason. You know what I mean? There's no MST and there's no Heavy Storm, and I question every game I played why. But that's only something Leo knows, but really it's because Bestie's the shit, and you can lance that bitch, you know what I mean? He's not a bitch.
Pretty much it's because you don't need MST, because you can just lance the guy attack and go Bestie. But
skill drain, just, I don't like talking about it. We got 3 Chariots, because you need these. You didn't need them when it wasn't around, but now you need it, because it's pro. There's no need in explaining this shit. Everything says hi, and then this says bye. The Solemn Brigade, because you can't run 3 Solemns anymore. I don't need to fucking explain it. Torrential, because what's up? Oh, you gonna do all that cool shit? What's up? You gonna special summon shit, like 10 shits in a turn and shit? I'm like, what's up, fool? Fuck that Stardust, nigga. Before the Stardust, though, because it's not pro. And fuck you, got you. We got 2 Bottomless, because this nigga's getting dragged down to hell. And, you know, what's up? Oh, Venus? Priority? That's cool. You got 1 Shambo, now what's up? What's up? What's up? Mirror Force, because if they try to attack you and they have hella shit, then it's like, oh fuck. This shit's for like, this is all like on declaration and shit, all this pro shit. Don't look all this, you know, like, you know, Peace Out Stardust, you know, removes some pro shit that they was trying to hit you with for game and shit. It just stops shit, but it also removes it as well. You know what I mean? We got Compulsory. There goes Giga Gaga Gigo flying in the air. I was telling Leo that maybe he should run a Mind Crush, because you have 3 of these.
Yeah. You was telling Leo, huh?
You have 3 of these, and then you would know, but that's not too pro, you know what I mean? Then we got that Dust Shoot, because Dust Shoot makes people scoop sometimes. Not really, but it's pro, you know what I mean?
Now you know what? Yesterday, Cop Dust Shooted a guy, right? I had a scapegoat set. He summoned Striker with 3 back rows, like Duality, like a Miracle in a Starlight Road. He passed to me. I went Interface Goats, flip Sizon, go for Barky on Heavy Storm that ass. But
that's with Karakuri. You know, I'm talking GBs all day. Starlight Road, because I can do this first turn. I can just say like 20, and you can't do anything. You know what I mean? It's just pro. The Starlight Road, sometimes you gotta side them out though, cause shit doesn't go the way you expect it. But Starlight Road's pretty cracking. I mean, sometimes they can read it, but sometimes they just eat it. You know what I mean? Cause that's just